In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude Code to Slack. By the end, you'll have Claude Code talking to your Slack workspace so you can streamline updates and keep your team in the loop without switching tabs. First, open the Claude Code app. Launch it in a desktop browser for the smoothest experience and make sure you're signed into the account where you want the integration to live. If you work across multiple orgs, take a second to confirm you're in the right one before you continue. Next, look for the Customize option. This opens Claude Code's configuration area where you control behaviors, appearance, and most importantly for today, integrations. Think of this area as your control center for how Claude Code interacts with the rest of your tools. Inside Customize, head to Connectors. Connectors are the bridges that let Claude Code talk to external services. This is where you'll add Slack so messages and events can flow between the two securely and reliably. Now, add a new connector by selecting the plus icon. This creates a fresh slot for a service you want to connect. If you already have other connectors, don't worry, you're simply adding another one to the list. Choose Browse Connectors to open the catalog. This is a searchable directory of officially supported integrations. It's much faster to use the search capability than scrolling, especially if your catalog is packed with options. Type Slack into the search bar. You should immediately see the Slack connector appear. This is the official pathway Claude Code uses to communicate with your Slack workspace while respecting Slack's permissions model. Select Slack from the results to open its details. Here, you can skim a quick summary of what the connector does and the permissions it needs. It's a good habit to review scopes so you understand exactly what access you're granting. Click Connect to start the authorization flow. This hands you off to Slack's secure sign-in and permission screens. If you're part of multiple Slack workspaces, make sure the correct one is selected in the top right corner of the Slack window. When Slack asks for permission, click Allow to grant access in your browser. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to authenticate first. Approving this request links Claude Code with your Slack workspace using the requested scopes. After you allow access, you'll be redirected back to Claude Code, where you should see Slack marked as connected. That's your confirmation that everything worked. You're all set. With the connector live, Claude Code can now interact with Slack according to your project's needs, helping you centralize updates and keep collaboration flowing right where your team already communicates.